Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the keyboard type and whether an FN lock exists. That matters because laptops vary. Once you power on, press Del, F2, or Esc to enter BIOS/UEFI. Timing matters, so tap repeatedly. You'll look for function key behavior or action keys mode. Change it if FN is inverted. Make the change, save, and exit. This is the fastest path to a system-level Fn Esc fix because it overrides OS settings and firmware controls. Now address the operating system. Update keyboard and chipset drivers through Device Manager or the vendor's updater, because outdated drivers often block hotkey combos. Next, install or reset the manufacturer's hotkey utility. Think Dell Quickset, HP Hotkey, Lenovo Vantage, and re-enable Fn behavior. Once done, plug in an external keyboard to see if Esc plus Fn works there. This isolates a broken laptop key from software. If the external works, you're likely facing a hardware issue versus driver or setting. Finish by checking hardware. Power down, remove the battery if possible, and reseat the keyboard ribbon cable. Loose connections cause single-key failures. If reseating doesn't help, test with a Linux Live USB. If Fn Esc still fails there, replace the keyboard or seek repair because the matrix or controller likely failed. Make sure to back up data before any service. If uncertainty remains, one key troubleshooting tip: swap a known good external keyboard to confirm the internal hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.